Good morning, girls. Welcome again for the online session of English language. I, Kaushal Trivedi, welcome you for our language learning. Now, in the last session, you might be having some technical errors. So, let me restart the thing which we have done yesterday. This chapter is about Indra Nooyi. You might have heard this name of the famous personality who is globally considered a successful businesswoman, and the another title is given here, a corporate giant. So, a big name in the corporate field. So, quite popular. Let us have a glance about her success, her joining at PepsiCo. So, this chapter is all about her life story, success story, and in which you will come to know that success can be achieved by anyone who is dedicated, devoted, workaholic, and many more qualities you will learn about her. You will get inspiration from her life. Not only that, but whatever contribution she has given to the company, that also we will come to know by the story of Indra Nooyi. It's an article. It's a famous article which has covered her life story, success story rather. So let us explore her journey from the beginning. Looking at the picture itself, we get motivation. How sparkling she is. And considering the CEO of the company, quite responsible one has to be. ખૂબ જ જવાબદારીપૂર્વકનું કામ એ કરી રહ્યા છે. Let us know about her. Who is she? Coming from where? Indra Nooyi, who is born on October 28th, 1955, Madras, now Chennai, in India. So, Indian-born American businesswoman who was instrumental in the lucrative restructuring and diversification of soft drink manufacturer PepsiCo Incorporation's brands. So, she is Indian-born and American businesswoman who was instrumental, who was definitely responsible in the lucrative, that is a kind of wealth and kind of business which was restructured, diversified by Indra Nooyi, and the company is manufacturing soft drink called PepsiCo, and it's a big brand, multinational brand. Nooyi served as the company's CEO in the year of 2006 to 18. So 12 years almost she has contributed for the company and remained the CEO and chairperson of board in the year of 7 till 19. So she is a part of chairman of board, or she remained a part of chairman of the board. She was handling the company as well as the CEO. The span is here given. In 1994, Nooyi joined PepsiCo as Senior Vice President of Corporate Strategy and Development. In 2001, she was named President and Chief Financial Officer of the company, that is CFO. શી વોઝ રિસ્પોન્સિબલ ફોર ગાઈડિંગ અ મેજર રિસ્ટ્રક્ચરિંગ, એટલે ખૂબ જ મોટા બદલાવ કે ચેન્જીસ એના દ્વારા લાવવામાં આવ્યા. કંપનીને એક સારા લેવલ ઉપર પહોંચાડવામાં આવી. ઘણા બધા મર્જર્સ કરવામાં આવ્યા. ઘણી બધી બ્રાન્ડ્સ સાથે એમને ટાઈઅપ કર્યું, which included the company's spin-off of its restaurants, which included KFC, કે જે પેપ્સીના છે, Pizza Hut again, and Taco Bell. Into these restaurants were considered or transformed into Tricon Global Restaurants, which later became Yum Brands. પછી એને યમ બ્રાન્ડ તરીકે ઓળખવામાં આવે છે. as well as the spin-off of PepsiCo's bottling operations. અને સાથે સાથે બોટલિંગ ઓપરેશન્સમાં પણ એને ઘણા બધા ફેરફાર કર્યા. In addition, she oversaw the acquisition 1998 of Tropicana Products and a merger in 2001 with the Quaker Oats Corporation as a part of the company's strategy of diversifying into more healthful drinks and foods. સાથે સાથે એને 1998માં ટ્રોપિકાના સાથે મર્જર કર્યું, ક્વેકર ઓટ્સ સાથે પણ, અને કંપનીને એક નવા લેવલ ઉપર પહોંચાડી, અને સાથે સાથે હેલ્થફુલ ડ્રિંક્સ અને ફૂડ આઇટમ્સ સર્વ કરી. Now this particular article, and you will consider an essay here. So this essay is about her life. What is there in the essay? Indra Krishnamurthy Nui, born in the year of 1955, still alive, is an Indian-born American business executive who was the chairperson and chief executive officer of PepsiCo. So her full name is Indra Krishnamurthy Nui, right? And she was the chairperson as well as CFO, CEO. The years are given, so you can remember in that way. She eventually, as a result became company's CEO in 2007. એનું કન્સિસ્ટન્ટ સારું પરફોર્મન્સને ધ્યાનમાં રાખી અને બોર્ડ ઓફ ડિરેક્ટર્સ ઓવરઓલ કંપની બેનિફિટ માટે એમને CEO પણ બનાવવામાં આવ્યા. The current article explores Nui's work ethic and her contribution to the development of the company PepsiCo. Particularly આ આર્ટિકલમાં તમે શું જોઈ શકશો? What this article will teach you? It will teach you about her work ethic. It will teach you about the contribution that she has devoted to the company, and she has made a remarkable progress for the company. It also discusses her management style as well as the conflict that rose between her professional and private life and how she was able to balance the two. This is the chapter, girls. Not only teach you about the person who has become successful, how you will come to know about her management style, that how she is working, how she is working for the employees, about the conflict resolution, કે જ્યારે જ્યારે કોઈ પણ સંઘર્ષ થાય તો એમાંથી કઈ રીતે બહાર આવે છે, how she balanced her professional and private life, and this delicate balance she did successfully. So this will be there in the chapter. Now let me tell you, girls, about Nui's thinking. ઇન્દ્રા નુઈએ ઘણા બધા ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ આપેલા હોય. સ્વાભાવિક છે કે આટલા મોટા સક્સેસફુલ પર્સનાલિટી હોય કે એમના ઇન્ટરવ્યૂઝ નંબર ઓફ ટાઈમ્સ લેવાતા હોય. તો એને એક વાત કીધેલી છે. ઇટ્સ ક્વાઇટ મોટિવેશનલ. These are the words of Nui. Leading PepsiCo has truly been the honor of my lifetime. We have made a more meaningful impact in people's lives than ever dreamed possible. શું કહે છે? લીડિંગ પેપ્સિકો હેઝ ટ્રુલી બીન ધ ઓનર, મારા માટે ગર્વની ઇન માય હોલ લાઈફ ઓર ઓફ માય લાઈફ ટાઈમ, કે મારા જીવન પર્યંત સારામાં સારો કે એક આદરણીય અનુભવ છે તો કે પેપ્સિકો માટે છે. વી હેવ મેડ અ મોર મિનિંગફુલ ઇમ્પેક્ટ ઇન પીપલ્સ લાઈવ્સ, કે અમે ખરેખર લોકોના મનમાં એક નવી છાપ ઊભી કરી છે. એન્ડ એવર આઈ ડ્રીમ્ડ પોસિબલ, અને જે કંઈ પણ સપનું મેં વિચાર્યું તો એ હું સાકાર કરી શકી. બટ ગર્લ્સ, ઓનલી હેવિંગ ધ ડ્રીમ ઇન માઇન્ડ ઇઝ નોટ ઇનફ. યુ નીડ ટુ ફુલફિલ ઇટ, એન્ડ ટુ ફુલફિલ યોર ડ્રીમ will definitely demand your dedication for any kind of job. પછી એ ઘરનું કામ જ કેમ ન હોય, બટ યુ શુડ બી રેડી ટુ ગીવ સમથિંગ if you want to attain something, if you want to get something. So I thought, let me tell you about the ideas that she is having in the mind. Now let us see about her achievements. Her achievements will definitely help you to draft characterization of Indra Nooyi. Indra Nooyiના કેરેક્ટરને જ્યારે તમે પોર્ટ્રે એટલે લખશો, રાઈટ, એક્સપ્લેન ઓર એલાબોરેટ ધ કેરેક્ટર ઓર ધ સક્સેસ સ્ટોરી ઓફ Indra Nooyi, એમાં તમે આ બધી જ બાબતો લખી શકશો કે વોટ આર ધ અચીવમેન્ટ્સ દેટ એકચ્યુઅલી શી અટેન્ડ. PepsiCo named to the list of America's top corporations for women's business enterprises. તો કે સ્ત્રીઓના સાહસમાં કે સાહસ કે સિદ્ધિઓનું કન્સિડરેશન જ્યારે જ્યારે થાય છે ત્યારે અમેરિકાની ટોપ કોર્પોરેશન્સમાં પેપ્સિકો આવે છે, નંબર 1. નંબર 2, Indra Nooyi receives in India Abroad Award. PepsiCo in top 10 of Diversity Incorporation's top 50 companies for diversity list. Diversifying effect એટલે કે કંઈક બીજા કરતાં અલગ કરનારી એ કંપની કે જે ટોપ 50 કંપનીઝમાં પણ it is categorized, it is named. PepsiCo receives 2007 Catalyst Award. The company was scrutinized as the best one and they got award. PepsiCo China was awarded a 2006 Best Corporate Public Image Award for its brand image of vitality and youthfulness. If it is in India, then it becomes like PepsiCo India. If it is in America, then it becomes like PepsiCo America. So when it is in China, then the PepsiCo China was awarded a 2006 Best Corporate Public Image Award. That kind of category they must be having. And the brand has maintained vitality as well as youthfulness. Not only this, but let us see about these achievements also. CEO of PepsiCo ranked number 4 on Forbes magazine annual survey of 100 most powerful women in the world. Forbes magazine, તમે નામ સાંભળેલું હશે. It's a business magazine and in which annual survey made by the magazine every year, વાર્ષિક જે સર્વે કરવામાં આવતો હોય છે, in which top 100 she is considered under the category of top 100 most powerful women and she was ranked number 4. See how successful she is. In the year of 2007, she was awarded as a Padma Bhushan by Government of India. 2007માં એને પદ્મભૂષણથી એનાયત કરવામાં આવ્યા. In the year of 2008, Nooyi was number 1 of Americans Best Leader by US News and World Report. Again, a good recognition received by American Best Leaders category. Wall Street Journal and Forbes magazine have both named as one of the most powerful women in business in the world. વોલ સ્ટ્રીટ જર્નલ કે જેમાં સારા સારા બિઝનેસ આર્ટિકલ્સ, સક્સેસફુલ એન્ટરપ્રેન્યોર્સ કે પછી ઇન્દ્રા નોઈ જેવા વિમેન એન્ટરપ્રેન્યોર્સ કે બિઝનેસ વિમેનની વાત કરવામાં આવે છે તો એમાં પણ એમને રેકોગ્નિશન મળેલું છે. Now the chapter begins with the kind of board statement. PepsiCo board, that means directors side, they have given a kind of statement. We are exceedingly fortunate to have a leader of Indra's calibre, vision and experience to take the helm. કે ઇન્દ્રા નુઈ જેવા વ્યક્તિને અમારી કંપનીમાં કે અમારા કંપનીને અંદર આવા અમૂલ્ય અદ્ભુત વ્યક્તિઓ હોવું એ એક અમારા માટે ગર્વની વાત છે, રાઈટ. એક્સ્ટ્રીમલી ફોર્ચ્યુનેટ ટુ હેવ સચ અ લીડર ઓફ ઇન્દ્રાઝ કેલિબ્રી, એટલે કે એના જેવું કેલિબરવાળું. લાઈક શી ઇઝ નોટ ઓનલી હેવિંગ અ ડિસ્ટિંક્ટ વિઝન એન્ડ નંબર ઓફ એક્સપિરિયન્સીસ ટુ ટેક ધ note of. She has been instrumental to PepsiCo's solid direction and ongoing success and has the complete endorsement and support of the board. She has remained a kind of such a lady that has made instrumental change and a solid direction she has provided for the company for the ongoing success. એટલે વધુ ને વધુ જે સફળતા મળી છે કંપનીને. As well, she has the complete responsibility and a kind of supportive environment from the board. Her career aspirations. નુઈ પહેલેથી જ મહત્વાકાંક્ષી હતા. She has a distinct spark from the childhood. બાળપણથી જ એમાં એક સ્પાર્ક હતો. Let us know about her childhood, like from her roots in Chennai. Basically she belongs to Chennai, where she grew up. ત્યાં મોટા થાય છે. ઇન્દ્રા નુઈ hitched her career aspirations to a star and has emerged as one of the most recognized icons of corporate success to originate from India. કે originally she is from India and she has emerged એટલે કે ઉદ્ભવ અને એક સ્ટાર તરીકે એનો ઉદ્ભવ કે એને રેકોગ્નિશન કે એ એક કોર્પોરેટ આઇકન તરીકે બહાર આવે છે. And how she got this corporate success, that we will come to know from the chapter itself. Being cited among rankings of global corporate achievers, કે જેમને ગ્લોબલ કોર્પોરેટ અચીવર્સની કેટેગરીમાં સાઇટેડ એટલે કે નોંધવામાં આવે છે ફોર ધ પાસ્ટ ફ્યુ યર્સ, કે છેલ્લા થોડા વર્ષોથી કે ઇનફેક્ટ ઘણા બધા વર્ષોથી she has been noticed, she has been cited, she has been ranked among the global corporate achievers due to her skillful nature. Here again, Nui, I want to quote what she has said. As you get management, as you get to middle management, women rise to those positions, and then that's the childbearing years. And when they have children, it is difficult to balance having children, your career, your marriage, and be a high potential outperformer who is going to grow in the company, in an organization that is a pyramid. It starts to thin out as you move up. It is said by Nui. What is said here? Our life, it is like a pyramid. Like when you start growing yourself, it is a small point, and then you try to expand yourself, then or when you move up, then it becomes it becomes bigger with number of responsibilities, like you have to carry different roles in your life. When you have kids, when you have career, when you have marriage, like number of phases that come to your life, that is there in your life, in which again a span comes in which you need to bear the child. That years would be most crucial years of life, because in which you will be in such a position to explore yourself as well. તમારા જીવનનો એક સમય એવો પણ આવશે કે જેમાં after your marriage, when you are carrying a baby or when you are going to have a baby, in that case you must be in such a phase કે જ્યારે તમારે પણ એક ડેવલપમેન્ટનો સમય કે સમયગાળો હશે અને સાથે સાથે તમે તમારા ચાઇલ્ડને પણ બેર કરશો. In that case you have to be high potential, you have to make yourself fully potential. એટલે વધારે ને વધારે તમારે મનોબળની જરૂર પડશે. And you have to be a good performer to grow not only for the company but for yourself also. કે કોઈ પિરામિડ તમે જોવો છો તો શરૂઆત એક થીન લાઇન્સથી થાય, ધીમે 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 પિરામિડ મોટો, અથવા તો પિરામિડનો શેપ કેવો છે કે જેમ તમે ત્રિકોણ નીચે તરફ દોડતા જાઓ છો એમ એ એક્સપાન્ડ થતું જાય છે. એમ આપણી લાઈફ પણ ધીમે 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 નંબર ઓફ રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી ને રોલ્સથી એક્સપાન્ડ થતી જાય છે. એન્ડ યુ ટુ એન્ટર વન આફ્ટર ધી અધર સ્પાન્સ. Let us know about her joining at PepsiCo. Nui joined the famous food and beverages company in 1994 as Senior Vice President of Corporate Strategy and Development, has been credited with shaping PepsiCo's current focus on the convenience foods and beverages business, and has served as President and Chief Financial Officer since 2001. So this is what we just have seen. It is there in the chapter. When she was also named to PepsiCo's board of directors in the year of 2001. As the fifth CEO in PepsiCo's 41-year-old history, she brings tremendously unique skills to the job. પાંચમા CEO PepsiCoના એ બને છે. The history is very old of 41 years in which she perceives fifth rank or the fifth time the CEO position. She brings tremendously unique skills after gaining the position of CEO with her unique abilities to the job. Then after, former CEO Steve Raymond has said about her. This also I told you yesterday, but let me revise it. Indra's record of transforming PepsiCo speaks for itself, and she has been an invaluable partner and ally throughout my time as CEO. કે ઇન્દ્રાનુએ જ્યારે જોઈન કર્યું ત્યારે એ CEO નહોતા. At that time Steve Raymond was CEO. And then Indra's record and the transforming PepsiCo environment, એટલે કે જે CEO બન્યા પહેલાં એમના આવવાથી જે કંઈ પણ ટ્રાન્સફોર્મેશન આવ્યું, that Steve Raymond has confessed that PepsiCo speaks for itself. She has been an invaluable partner, કે ખૂબ જ સારા એક પાર્ટનર તરીકે કામ કરે છે. એટલે that is the friend throughout the time that Steve Raymond has worked as CEO. સાથે શું કહે છે Nui? Just because you are CEO, don't think you have landed. તમે CEO છો એનો મતલબ એવો નથી કે તમારે બેઠું જ રહેવાનું છે. You have to land on the chair. It's like that. You can sit idle. It is not like that. You must continuously or continually increase your learning. The way you think and the way you approach the organization, I have never forgotten that. હું ક્યારેય ભૂલી નથી કે મારે સતત શીખવાનું છે, વિચારવાનું છે, નવા અપ્રોચ લાવવાના છે અને ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશનને એક નવા લેવલ ઉપર લઈ જવાની છે. This is not to be forgotten by anyone who is on the higher position. So, how motivating this to us? About Steve Raymond. On his part, who has been with PepsiCo for 22 years, described it as સ્ટીવ રેમન્ડ વાત કરે છે કે જ્યારે એને 22 વર્ષ પેપ્સિકો માટે કામ કર્યું, બરાબર, તો એ સમયગાળો એના માટે કેવો હતો. The toughest and easiest decision of my life after 22 years with PepsiCo, more than 5 of them as chairman and CEO, I have decided that my life, my family is entitled to more time from me than the responsibilities and obligations of continuing as PepsiCo's CEO requires and deserves. 22 વર્ષે એ રિઝાઇન કરે છે કે એ પોતાનું પદ છોડે છે. So that 22 years, in fact, he has passed in PepsiCo. That was the toughest and easiest decision of his life, that after 22 years with PepsiCo, કે એ સમયગાળા દરમિયાન 5, more than 5 of them as chairman and CEO, કે એ સમયે 5 જેટલા ચેરમેન અને CEOનું રિપ્લેસમેન્ટ થયેલું. I have decided that now I have to spare more time with the family, as I was not able to perform responsibilities properly because I was dedicating for PepsiCo, and the PepsiCo CEO requires and deserves that obligations and responsibilities I have performed. He said. Then after, Nui's global recognition as businesswoman. Nui has emerged among the pantheon of 50 most powerful women in business by Fortune magazine in recent issues. Nui has been recognized as in the pantheon, that she is one of the, she is 50, she is considered under the category of 50 most powerful women in business by Fortune magazine in recent issues. Date is mentioned. She was ranked 11th, being advanced one place from the magazine's 2004 rankings, and sharing this recognition with several other outstanding women in the global corporate arena. ખૂબ જ પ્રતિભાશાળી વ્યક્તિત્વ બતાવ્યું છે. આઉટસ્ટેન્ડિંગ એક્સ્ટ્રાઓર્ડિનરી વિમેન ઇન ધ ગ્લોબલ કોર્પોરેટ સિનારિયો ઓર ધ પિક્ચર એરેના, એટલે એક પ્રકારની રેન્જ, કોર્પોરેટ રેન્જમાં સારામાં સારું પરફોર્મન્સ અને રેકોગ્નિશન એમને મળેલું. નંબર ઓફ ટાઈમ્સ એને રેન્ક્સ આપવામાં આવેલા છે, તમે જોઈ શકો છો. અહીંયા લખેલું છે વર્લ્ડ્સ 100 મોસ્ટ પાવરફુલ વુમેન શી ઇઝ કન્સિડર્ડ. Now let us know about her strategies. Nui's global strategies. Indra Nui has directed the company's global strategies for over a decade and was the primary architect of its restructuring. Nui has directed the company from global strategy point of view over a decade, એટલે કે 10 વર્ષથી, almost more than 10 years she spared, and she has primarily architect means designed, and she has completely restructured the company from her distinct strategies, including the divestitures, that is the action of selling investment and certain business interests that are not greatly valued. ઘણા બધા એવા બિઝનેસીસ હોય કે જેનાથી, કે જેવા પ્રકારના ડેડ ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટથી એ પ્રોફિટેબલ બિઝનેસ નથી કરી શકતા, એટલે એવા જે કંઈ પણ નિર્ણયો લેવાની જરૂર પડી ત્યારે એને બિઝનેસ માટે નિર્ણયો લીધેલા. ઓફ ઇટ્સ રેસ્ટોરન્ટ્સ એન્ડ ઇન ટુ ધ સક્સેસફુલ યંગ બ્રાન્ડ્સ, જ્યારે મર્જર્સની જરૂર હતી ત્યારે મર્જર્સ કરેલા, જ્યારે રેસ્ટોરન્ટ્સને એક રિફોર્મ કરવાની જરૂર હતી ત્યારે રિફોર્મ કરીને યંગ બ્રાન્ડમાં કન્વર્ટ કર્યું. The spin-off and public offering of company owned bottling operations into Anchor Bottling, Pepsi Bottling Operations PBG, સાથે સાથે ટ્રોપિકાનાને ક્વેકર ઓટ્સ સાથે મર્જ કર્યું, એન્ડ ધ વાઇટલ ક્વેકર એન્ડ ગેટોરેડ બિઝનેસ ટુ પેપ્સિકો, અને એના દ્વારા એક નવું જ નામ એસ્ટાબ્લિશ કર્યું. અને પેપ્સિકો એમને હાયર કરી લે છે. She earned plaudits for her strategic planning and vision. Plaudits, that is, she got ample recognition, positive feedback for whatever decisions she took with her strategic planning. એક બિઝનેસ પર્સનમાં સ્ટ્રેટેજિક પ્લાનિંગ હોવું ખૂબ જરૂરી છે અને એ વિઝન અને સ્ટ્રેટેજિક પ્લાનિંગથી જ એ આગળ વધ્યા. So whatever she earned the positive responses from the companies, people, and with her global strategies, we find the immense success for the company. Okay, girls, I end here. We'll continue the chapter in the next week. We'll in fact complete the chapter in the next week. Today I am going to forward the PDF of chapter 1 and 2, the question answers. You can refer it, you can prepare it for the exam point of view and revise it, the chapter. This is the 4th chapter. Still 2 chapters are remaining and we'll be able to finish on time because we have completed the grammar portion earlier and now the text part is only due. Whatever the things are due, we'll be able to complete on time. So I wish that you will refer the chapter with the proper concentration, listen to the video properly as well audio and note down the things in your classwork. So thank you very much and have a nice day.